Alright, so your Windows is corrupt and you need to reinstall Windows, but you can't because you don't have a bootable USB drive. So you want to create one, but you don't know how. Well, lucky for you, you've come to the right address. So for this project, we're gonna use Rufus. Rufus is a free utility that lets you create bootable USB drives using ISO files. Rufus is quite a versatile tool and should be in the arsenal of any system administrator or hobbyist. To create a bootable USB drive, you will need a USB drive with a minimum capacity of at least 16 KB, an ISO file for an operating system of your choosing, this could be Windows, Linux or what have you, and last but not least, Rufus to bring it all together. When you first open up Rufus, you're gonna be greeted by this screen. Here you can select the ISO you want to write to the USB drive. Let's go for Windows 7. Here you can choose if you want a normal Windows installation drive or a Windows to go. When you select Windows to go, it's basically already installed and you can use it, but that isn't really supported anymore. Here you can choose whether you want to use MBR, Master Boot Record, or GUID, Partition Table, GPT. MBR is a really old standard for partitioning drives and works with almost all other computers. It's limited to 2 TB drives and isn't really used anymore these days. MBR also uses the older BIOS model of your system, which does not support secure boot. GUID Partition Table is a modern standard for partitioning drives that basically all computers after 2014 use. UEFI stands for Unified Extensible Firmware Interface and is a better version of the aforementioned BIOS. This handles the system on a hardware level and translates it into something the operating system can understand. Basically, if your computer was made before 2014, use MBR, and after 2014, use GUID. And then we have some options that know better. When you press start, you format the drive and make it bootable. Do note that this deletes all the data off of your drive. And that's how to create bootable USBs with Rufus. If you want to see it in action, watch this one. And if not, have fun on your next tech adventure. Thanks for watching, comment, like and subscribe, and I'll see you all later.